Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exclusive news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with the news of our favorite CBS soap opera Young and the Restless. The spoilers of Young and the Restless says that Victor protects his legacy and is on the defense. So learn what's next on the CBS soap opera for the new year. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. The Young and the Restless spoilers say that Victor Newman, played by Eric Braeden, protects his legacy, and meanwhile Billy Abbott, played by Jason Thompson, could lose it all. Also, Amanda Sinclair gives legal advice to Devon Hamilton. Now let's talk about Young and the Restless news as Victor Newman faces challenging landscape. Currently, Victor Newman is basking in the joy of his holiday, but things change fast in the new year. Victor reaches out to an old friend for information when dealing with his enemies. Victor Newman and Adam Newman, played by Mark Grossman, think that they have got Billy right where they want him. Now Victor's daughter Victoria Newman knows about Billy's scheme, so things could change for Victor Newman. In fact, Victor sees the family dynamic sours. Even Nikki Newman notices the tension. So on Young and the Restless, he sees the conflict with Victor and their daughter. In the new year, we will see Victor on his toes as he tries to keep the upper hand in this game of cat and mouse. The outcome of Victor's war could impact both Newman Locke and Newman Media. Young and the Restless news hints at lots of excitement as Victor Newman moves into action. In the same way, on YNR, Billy Abbott plays with fire in the new year. With his revenge plan at Crossroads, things could get dicey for Billy. He and Lily Winters are all in, but the stakes are so high on Young and the Restless. Victor keeps a close eye on his ex-seal. Now Victoria Newman knows all the details of his scheme. Billy puts a great deal of trust in his ex-wife, but we all know that she is an opportunist. Victoria would turn on him in a flash to help her company. So the new year shows the Abbott heir work to bring Victor and his son down on Young and the Restless. However, Lily also must focus on her new job as CEO of Chancellor Enterprises. Young and the Restless news states that it's a balancing act. Soon, Lily works to make a name for herself while she is also supporting Billy. Their relationship will see some bumps in the new year as Billy takes chances. And the latest Young and the Restless updates say that Amanda Sinclair supports Devon. Charles Chancellor is finally back for good, and as we can see, Devon is struggling with his role in Dominic's life. He is still welcome to visit the boy whenever he wants at the Chancellor's estate, but Devon enjoyed having the boy at his penthouse, so he wants that to continue on Young and the Restless. Devon asks Abby Newman as Chance Chancellor to give Devon a former role in his biological son's life. Chance doesn't have much reaction, yet Young and the Restless scoop shows that the request chips at Abby. Devon leaves before getting an answer to allow the couple some time to think about his proposal, but Young and the Restless spoilers hint that things could turn ugly in the new year as Amanda offers her legal opinion on the matter. So keep watching YNR in 2022 as Devon could bring a court action to get what he wants. Young and the Restless also promises action as Victor goes full steam ahead. He faces his enemies while Billy continues to play a dangerous game on the CBS Searcher. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Young and the Restless as it comes in. We will have all the burning Young and the Restless spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.